look at this verticality down. We've talked about this. Look at this emergence of the supply as well. So like supply is still dominant here. There's nothing that bullish about this picture, would you say?
No, there's certainly nothing bullish. But you are right though. We're not breaking down cleanly like we once did. But this is a major level, you know, to the left, if it were. Expect some form of buying, but we've broken under that level. I just want to see the resolution of this rally. But I'd still be, put it this way, from this bar, if I see price interact negatively at this resistance level, I'll be very, very keen to play this on the intraday time frame. Very, very keen.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Actually, I think oil maybe is a very interesting market right now from the intraday point of view, just because volatility starts to increase, and you have like right here, you had a lot of spooky changes in directionality on the daily basis, right? So like up, down, like look at this into this area, like yeah. Here there is more defined directionality, which I like. So you could have your tactics from the intraday to the swing pretty easily, you know, as a switch. So I like this environment more.
In fact, Rowan, I mean, if we come down here, we get a bit short on thrust. Say we come up to here. If we have a kind of low demand rally into this area, then wow, that might actually be a potential swing play.
Yes, but do you think that it might not come there? Do you think that it might stop somewhere prior to that, like somewhere here?
It has the right to. It has the right to stop. And if it does stop before here, because this is kind of the major area, support, you know, support, breakdown, validates this level. This is the major area. But if we find selling beforehand, good. There's additional weakness. I'll be still looking on the intraday time frame. These are the kind of key levels I'll be looking. These are on my radar. Right?